Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will see 400 watt driver board. This amplifier designed for outdoor use. Now let's see the connection. This driver board work on 35 volt to 65 volt DC. Symmetrical supply. Here you have to connect positive supply. And here negative. This is feedback terminal. Connect here speaker. This terminal is positive base. Connect to base pin of NPN, transistor. And this is negative. Connect to base of PNP, transistor. The ground will be common for speaker and power supply. This is audio input connector. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share with your friends. This preset is for to set DC offset. Use 1 kilo ohms preset here. This all capacitor are of 63 volt. If you want to use it with higher voltage, then replace it with 100 volt capacitor. This all resistor are of 1 watt. And rest of the resistor are of half watt. After completing this board, it will look something like this. If you have any questions regarding this driver board, or have any suggestions, then comment below. Thanks for watching.